Ooh. Hey booze, welcome back to another video. In today's video, y'all, I'll be eating on a king crab seafood boil. So today I have some king crab, I have snow crab, green little mussels, some shrimp, I have corn on the cob, potatoes, boiled eggs, sausage, and I also have some spicy garlic butter sauce. Okay, all right, y'all, we about to get to it because y'all already know. Okay, y'all already know I'm hungry. So let's get to it. I'm gonna start with some green little mussels. Oh, that's good. But y'all let me know what y'all been doing down below in the comments. Thank y'all for watching yesterday's video. I really, really appreciate it. That's good. Let's get an egg. Ooh. That's fire. I love my lemons in the kitchen. Wow, that's fire. Y'all, I'm so excited. I'm so excited because I just booked my flight to Detroit. So I'll be going back to Detroit in January. I'll be staying for a few days. I'm so excited, y'all. So excited. So I'll be staying for a few days. I'm spending some time with my grandma. We gonna do a whole little girls night and stuff. Well, 3 days. We're gonna do 3 days. We're gonna do girls night, you know. I am so excited. My grandma is so excited, y'all. She is so excited that I'm coming. I'm coming just for her, really. I'm probably gonna meet up with my baby sister and one of my other sisters, and if my brothers got time, I'll meet up with them. But yeah, she's so excited. I'm gonna see my dad while I'm there too. But yeah, she's so excited, y'all. She like, okay, we gotta make a plan. What we about to eat? She like, we going to Roof Chris. I'm like, okay, grandma. She's so excited. That's literally my best lady right there. Like, that's literally my best friend. Literally. But yeah, we about to do it up, y'all. We about to have fun. I will see if she okay with me like recording her and stuff. My grandma, she is bougie, y'all. She is she like, I don't know, I gotta do this to my hair or this. She gonna be she I don't know, y'all. She bougie, so we'll see. She like, are you coming for real? I'm like, I'm coming, grandma. I'm telling you I'm coming. She's like, okay. She like, I done told everybody at my job. My grandma, yeah, she still work. She works in a psych ward at the hospital. So she works with patients all day. But yeah, she still work, y'all. Still working. But yeah, we gotta make some more plans. We definitely gotta make some more plans. All I know right now, she wanna go to Roof Chris. I know I'm going to the casino, cause here, y'all, in Houston, no casinos. I really wanna go to the casino. So I know I'm gonna be making a stop. I might stay longer than 3 days though. I don't know. I might extend my flight. Why was that so hard to crack? I know last time I told y'all I was gonna go see my grandma. Ooh, I can't get this. Y'all, when I tell you these are so hard to crack, what is going on? Oh my goodness. Oh, that's crazy. Y'all, that is crazy. I can't open this. Nah, that's wild. That's wild. Oh well, let's get a potato. I made a lot of potatoes this time. Knowing I don't need these many potatoes. But I made a lot of potatoes this time. Yeah, y'all. So we both pretty much excited. If y'all don't know, I like to gamble. I like to play, I love to play roulette. um, roulette, blackjack, and I do play slots too. I play slots too. But I mostly play roulette. That's my game. Love, love, love roulette. But I cannot wait to go. I'm so excited. So excited to see my grandma. We literally, y'all, spend hours on the phone. Literally, like, I don't think it was ever a time I've went like 20 minutes on the phone with my grandma or something like that. It's always like 3 hours, 4 hours, 5 hours. She don't care what I'm doing. She like, I'll be on the phone with you. I could be doing stuff and she be right on speaker and I just be talking to her while I'm doing whatever I'm doing, you know? But yeah. She is not your tip. Like, she is. My grandma is so. She is so. I don't know, y'all. She's so funny. Like, she's so bougie and so, like. She is not the grandma that keep kids, y'all. She don't keep kids. She be on the go. She be on the move, okay? We always laugh about that. I think she kept my kids maybe once. But it don't bother me none. I know a lot of people be like, oh, you know, grandmas don't keep, you know, their grandkids no more. It don't bother me none. If I could be honest. I mean, obviously, if for people who really do need help and stuff like that, and they, you know, or whatever, I guess I could see that and everything. But like with my grandma, I know my grandma don't, you know, keep kids. Not that she don't love your kids or love my kids or her other great kids and stuff. But she be on the move and she, you know, that's just not what she do, you know, and I'm cool with that. I respect that. She raised her kids. She's 73 years old. She don't want to be sitting around, you know, with babies, I think, you know. It's different strokes for different folks. That's just what it is. You know what I'm saying? Some people like, no, grandmas need to stay home, you know, watch their grandkids and things like that. There's not a one size fit all. Not every grandma the same, you know. And I'm cool with my grandma not doing that. It don't bother me. It don't bother me. I don't know. I guess because I know it's nothing personal. I know she love my kids and she show up for them, buys them stuff, you know, always checking on them and stuff. So it don't bother me none. But honestly, too, I just never asked my grandma to watch my kids. I don't know. I probably never asked my grandma to watch my kids too, really, y'all, because my grandma worked 2 jobs up until the age she at now. She ain't gonna want me to tell y'all her age. Up until the age she at now, she worked 2 jobs. She just retired from working one of her other jobs. And so now she just got 1 job she working now. But yeah, she was just always on the move and always going, so. That is so good. I cannot believe I can't get this snow crab open. My goodness, y'all. That is crazy. Wow. Finally got it open. Mm-mm-mm. Snow crab tastes so good. Wow, that was so good. I like that butter sauce, that garlic butter sauce that I whipped up. I loves it. It's really good. Anyways, thank y'all so much for joining in today's video. I truly appreciate y'all being here with me today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Y'all, we got one more day before the new year. Like, what y'all about to do? Like, did y'all feel like this year went fast, or y'all feel like it was normal, or like it went really slow? Y'all let me know down below in the comments. To me, I feel like it was pretty normal. I don't know. I don't feel like it went fast or slow. But anyways, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see y'all in the next video, which will be tomorrow, because I definitely got to drop a video tomorrow before the new year, okay? I'll see y'all in tomorrow's video. Bye, y'all.